Hello everybody, today we're going to be showing you how we assemble our burgers. So first we're going to start off with the meat from your freezer that we made in this video linked here. And then you're going to get your grill. I'm sorry if you don't have a grill, I guess this video isn't for you, but for people that do, here we go. And if you don't, I guess you can just enjoy the beautiful serenity of this video we have created for you today. So first you're going to lay out all of your hamburger buns on the grill and flip them over based on however juicy you want them. Funny story, my dad used to absolutely burn the living life out of these burgers until we told him, you know, maybe we want a little bit of burger left in our burgers, not just burnt. So now he makes them a little bit juicy, which is how we like them. You can also choose to put a little bit of cheese. That's what my dad does to make sure you don't leave it on for too long. So yeah, just monitor them and close it so you can get that smoky taste. We like them a little bit juicy, so it doesn't take that long. We also use healthy ketchup, no sugar added, and avocado mayonnaise. So it's just better than the other brand. I forget what it's specifically called, but yeah. Put it in these unnecessarily difficult containers to use. Oh my gosh, we never use this in real life. They do not work at all. You can't squeeze them. It takes forever. Anyways, add all your toppings, whatever you want, and that's basically it. Look how beautiful, and we hope you enjoy. Happy assembling. Bye!